The real deal on a classic sandwich. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Story goes, I love story goes stories, right? Because, well, anyways, story goes 1920s, Omaha, Nebraska. There is a Jewish Lithuanian grocer named Reuben Kulakofsky who is hanging out at the Blackstone Hotel. Reuben Kulakofsky creates a fantastic sandwich. Why? Because they serve it playing poker with his friends. Reuben sandwiches are a classic, one of my favorites, and I want to show you how to prepare them. We're going to start by making a Russian dressing. I have a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, use regular or light, your choice. 1 tablespoon of sour cream, tablespoon of ketchup, tablespoon of relish. Then a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a teaspoon of horseradish. The hotter the better. Those ingredients in a bowl, we stir them together, we set them to the side. The enclosure for a Reuben sandwich is rye bread. I'm using my favorite rye. You could use a caraway studded, dark rye, marbled rye. I have 4 pieces on the work surface. Butter, room temperature. Make sure you butter them evenly all the way to the edges. They're going to be going on a grill to cook. Put 2 pieces to the side, the other 2 we flip over. Now we take that Russian dressing. Don't be skimpy, be generous. I'm sure Reuben was. Generous helping of that glorious Russian dressing on both pieces of bread. Now we're on to our corned beef, very thinly sliced. I usually add a number of slices. I don't like it when you see a Reuben and it's just like slices of corned beef all stuck down. I like it more when it's kind of gathered together. It's got a great appearance. Now we're adding sauerkraut. So you can purchase sauerkraut in a jar, a nice generous helping of sauerkraut. Last ingredient, Swiss cheese. I place 3 Swiss cheese slices on each sandwich, tops go on, and then I'm over to my griddle. You could do this on stovetop and a large skillet. I like to use this griddle, so I'm inverting off the panini settings. I want a nice clean sear top and bottom when I cook this classic Reuben sandwich. You'll know your sandwich is done. You're going to smell it first. Secondly, you're going to see the cheese is melting. The mayonnaise is kind of dripping onto the griddle. It's perfect. Lift the lid and there's that telltale sign. All of that butter has melted. You have a nice brown surface and bottom of this sandwich off of the grill, cutting surface. I take a large knife and I like to cut them into 3s. So then when you're done, add something delicious to accompany it, like a pickle, like a crispy gherkin to go with. But you can see this is a very beautiful sandwich, nicely compressed with corned beef, sauerkraut, the Swiss cheese, and then the dressing. I like to also serve a little bit of dressing on the side in case someone wants to dip in to this dressing before they take that first bite. Reuben Kulakofsky up there in Sandwich Maker's Heaven, Nick Manojlovic, and everybody else. Thanks you for this fantastic sandwich recipe. You just gotta make a classic Reuben sandwich. Trust me, it's the real deal. Looking for other real deals? Head to weekendатthecottage.com. Please remember to subscribe to our website. Also look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel. Subscribe, click for notifications, thumbs up, drop us comments. Finally, you know the drill. Talk to our incredible Carol Bagozzi on all of our social media feeds. Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I love to chat, but I have one delicious sandwich to enjoy. Make your own, and then come on back and visit again soon. Take care. Beautiful.